What's up, guys? Today we are going to unbox and review a gaming headset by Valorise. That's right, they sent this over. They told me to unbox it and review it. They did not tell me anything to say. They did not pay me. I asked for camo. They sent me the black one. This is worth $24. Should have sent me the camo. Anyway, today we are going to unbox and review this and see if they suck or not. All right, let's open this bad boy up. I'm just gonna break the box. We're not returning it. And here we go. Here's the headset. It's still in this plastic wrap. It's still boxed. It's black. It's not camo like I asked for, but that's fine. I'm not mad. I'm not going to complain. You know what? Free is free. I should be grateful. So what we have here is a wireless gaming headset by Valorise. You can get it on Amazon, as you see. I will leave a link in the description. There's over 600 ratings. Hey, and it's rated pretty well, too. It has a good rating. Customers appreciate the sound quality, comfort, and value of the headphones. I'll have to test that out. They mentioned that the bass is strong. I'm all about that bass. The ear cups are soft and plush. 2 ears, 1 cup. And the headset is amazing for the price. Some praise the connectivity, saying it connects flawlessly to their PC. That's right, 2.4 gigahertz should be flawless. They also appreciate the retractable microphone, which ensures crystal clear voice chat. Customers say the headset works well for gaming and delivers excellent performance and features. We'll have to game with it to test it out. And look at this. However, some customers have mixed opinions on the battery life, with some saying it lasts a long time while others saying it doesn't last very long. All right, it has good reviews, but so do a lot of things on Amazon. Hold on a second. I'm gonna say this is packaged quite well. This is nice plastic. It's really thick plastic, just like your mom. My machete can't cut through it. There we go. And here we have the UG-08S. So it has a name. It has a model name. It's not just called wireless headset. On the back, there is a lot of information. 7.1 surround sound with immersive experience, glowing LED lights, 3 types of connectivity, noise canceling microphone, 1 click to mute, USB-C transmitter with USB-A adapter. Let's open it up. Here we go. Oh, it's wrapped quite nicely. First of all, here's the 2.4 gigahertz dongle. It's a little USB dongle. So you can pretty much plug it in like this. There we go. Right here we have extended warranty information. Is there anything under this? Yes, there is. We have a USB-A to USB-C cable and a braided auxiliary cable. Here's the headset. Let's take a look at it. It's black. It's not camo, but it still looks pretty nice. Here's a retractable microphone. You can push that back in, pull it back out. Come in, team. Team, I'm sorry.
I feel like a helicopter pilot.
We have a button here. It looks like a mute button, volume dial, and here's the power button. Let's see. Is there enough power in this right now? We have auxiliary and USB-C. Oh, there we go. It's turning red. Check it out. It's lighting up. Maybe you can see it better now, but it does have some red LED lights. Also, check out this generic gaming logo. What is it, like a bird? Republic of Gamer Hawkeye. There are 2 more buttons on this earpiece right here. It looks like an M for a mode button and a placeholder for a button. There's really nothing there. I don't know. This is retractable, and there are some measurements here, and it's not completely plastic. Hey, also this rubber, whatever this is, it's not so bad and it's not so thin. A lot of them are thin. I would say that these earmuffs are pretty cheap. They feel almost papery, but not bad. We also have a user manual type of thing right here. There's too much to read. I'm going to try to get my PC to recognize them and see how it sounds. Here's how they sound. I currently am speaking through this microphone, the Shure microphone. Now let's switch it off. Here's the headset. Here's how the microphone on the headset sounds. The retractable microphone. We're gaming, boys. Let's start gaming. Run for the hill. They're coming after me. They're using racial slurs in the lobby. Do you guys want to try gaming a little bit? I was starting to sweat, so I'm going to wear a jacket so I sweat even more and look like I've been having a really intense gaming session. Look at this guy up here on the truck. Get him right in the neck. This guy's squatting by a tree, not for long. And we're getting spotted. We're getting approached by enemies. Who are you? He's in the bushes. We got him. Let's see how the engine from this vehicle sounds. Sounds great. Sounds pretty good. Not gonna lie. Knock that guy off the back of our truck. This is our truck now. I would say that it's pretty clear. It is pretty bassy like everyone says, but I like more bass. What's up with headsets not having bass anymore? Guys, I think we're not going to go anywhere. So at the end of the day, I do think that the Valorise UG-08S headset is pretty good for the price. It's comfortable. It's wireless. The sound quality is not bad at all. It has 7.1 surround sound with immersive experience. And they're not lying. It's not bad. I thought it would be a lot worse. I thought this would just be like janky plastic. I thought it would be creaky like Turtle Beaches, but it's not. There's Bluetooth. There's 2.4 gigahertz. There's also wired. So I totally approve. These do not suck. I wanted them to. I wanted to to be mad that I did not get the camo color, but maybe I'll go buy one for myself using the link in the description. You should too. Thanks for watching. Smash like and subscribe. Thanks to Valorise or whoever for sending this. See you guys later.